trend, 1 hour and daily trend, and power of 1 hour and daily EMAs, how the traders in community are using this system every day to find consistency and make profits in the market, keeping the losers small and winners big. Two of our winning trades in community, AMD and Nvidia in the swing. Why did we swing it? So we were long in the community. What you're looking right here is the 1 hour EMA cloud, and you're looking at the daily 50-55 MTF clouds. MTF clouds are nothing but the EMA clouds based upon the EMAs from the daily and the 1 hour chart. This is the system I built using the EMAs to make my EMA clouds, which is high probability system, which is help trade every day. So anyways, so we were long on Friday because of this 1 hour trend call. You can see that bounce from there, and we were flagging right under the 50-55 MTFs there. It rejected the 50-55 MTFs on the daily chart, and then it flushed up on our Wednesday FOMC and then went into the chop. Then again on Friday, this was our long setup where we went long in the community. On the market reversal, we were long on Nvidia. These are the 1 hour EMA clouds, and then it's pushing over the daily EMA MTF clouds. So that's why it becomes a long setup here with your stops here. That's why it became a swing on Friday over the MTF cloud. So this was a 1 hour swing. The 1 hour chart, Nvidia is pushing over the 1 hour clouds. That becomes a 1 hour trend, and then it's also riding the 512 clouds, and then it's looking at the daily. So if I look at the daily chart, you can see that we are kind of turning bullish here on the daily charts as well, and then we reclaiming all the daily 20 EMAs and 55 EMAs, which as a trader and investor tells us that it's a bullish signal. So anyways, today Nvidia turned from that daily MTF clouds. That's why it was a swing, because we turned on that 1 hour MTF clouds on Friday. So that's why in the morning I told everybody watch the 135, 30, 50 pullbacks for the MTFs, and when Nvidia pulled back and then it held, then it became a long with the market, and that was our long today. I gave the 140 was my final target for the day, and at the end of the day I told everybody to swing in Nvidia. Very simple trade. You can combine 1 hour trend, daily trend, and you can use my MTF EMA cloud system for high probability trading. When it fails, like once it failed on Wednesday, you can get out and cut your losses quick, and we save a lot of money. So MTF clouds also helps you to preserve your losses. That's how Nvidia was a great trade for us last 2 days. Really profitable for everyone in the community. So next one is AMD. So AMD has been selling off. Daily chart on AMD is quite bearish. It keeps going low since it break that 135 support. We had a long trade on AMD which failed on us few days back. We tried a long there on the 1 hour chart, did not work. But if you notice here carefully on this 10-minute chart, the 1 hour has been bearish for last 6-7 days. There was no long signal on AMD on FOMC, but today it gave us a long signal. Today the first time the 1 hour chart over Ripster MTF clouds, you see MTFs were rejected here and pushing right here. So that's why we went long. Levels I gave on AMD this morning was 121.43 and 121.86. Of course, I told everyone that we have to watch the MTF clouds today. And this morning, as soon as the MTF clouds started to push on AMD, I said long versus the MTF. That's my risk. Defined stops. 125 calls were coming on flow. 125 was our first target. Or 124 calls went 100%. We took some profits at 125. Our next target was mid of 126s, and we hit that target as well. Beautiful trade for over 150% long. Then it bounced upon 34.50 clouds end of the day, and we are swinging some of the winners. So you notice that AMD was a 1 hour trade still under the daily MTF clouds. Nvidia was 1 hour MTF clouds and also daily and 1 hour MTF clouds. So use the MTF cloud system, guys. Thousands of traders across the world use this system to trade consistently and make profits in the market.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.